My dear students, I am going to explain you heating effect of electric current. So in this case, we find that when current is passed through a high resistance wire like nichrome wire, you know that nichrome is an alloy, and most of the alloys which are good conductor of electricity has high resistance. So through nichrome wire, which has high resistance, when current is passed through it, too much of heat is produced. Yeah, and when too much of heat is produced, then the heat energy that is produced through it is very high because it has the high resistance, and due to high resistance all the current which is passing through it is being obstructed, being stopped, and that current produces heat. So, and that heat energy is calculated by the formula H equals to I square RT. I means current, R means resistance, and T is the time. So, and this is also known as Joule's heating effect. So, H equals to I square RT. I, that means current is square of the current, into resistance into the time. How much time the current has passed through the nichrome wire or the high resistance wire. So in this case, you find this is also known as Joule's heating effect of current. Yeah, so high resistance wire is taken as nichrome is a high resistance wire. Nichrome is an alloy which is made of chromium and nickel. So it has high resistance. And so when current is passed through it, too much of heat is produced, and that heat is calculated by using the formula H equals to I square RT. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.